Herbal remedy for dry, rough hair. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to look at dry, rough hair, explain what causes it, and how you can treat it with a great home remedy. So what causes dry, rough hair? Basically, dry hair does not absorb enough or retain enough moisture to keep its texture and brightness. So it can start to look lacklustre and be fragile and brittle. And dry hair can be caused by many factors, including vitamin deficiencies, excessive sun exposure, excessive hair washing, excessive use of styling products, and too much heat from items such as hair dryers and curling tongs. And medical conditions such as anorexia, hypothyroidism and other hormone abnormalities can also lead to damaged hair. So here's a herbal remedy for dry, rough hair. Olive oil is one of the most popular home remedies for dry hair. It's rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which can seal the outer hair layer with moisture, helping repair the damage. And to prepare this home remedy, gently warm but not boil half a cup of olive oil. And then gently massage into your hair for several minutes. Then cover the hair with a warm towel and leave for 30 to 45 minutes or overnight. And then after this time, shampoo and rinse the hair. And this treatment will strengthen, moisturise and add shine to dry hair. And in addition to the remedy, also try to introduce these lifestyle changes. Improve your diet and give your hair the nutrients it needs. Consume foods such as fatty fish including salmon, mackerel, sardines and tuna. These contain omega-3 fatty acids that support hair growth. Blueberries, a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants. And spinach, a great source of folate, iron and vitamin A and C. Again, all good for healthy hair growth. And eggs, because they contain protein and biotin, essential for strong hair growth. Avocado, a great source of vitamin E for hair growth. And nuts for vitamin E and hair growth. And finally, you may also want to consider taking a vitamin D supplement, especially over the winter period when our reserves of this vital vitamin can run low. And this is because vitamin D promotes hair growth. And finally, try to reduce the overuse of styling products, heating tools such as hair dryers and styling tongs, and also limit the number of times you wash your hair to 3 or 4 times a week. Oh, and also stay hydrated at all times, since hydration also plays a key role in maintaining healthy hair. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.